5 strange things about our solar system. Our solar system is full of wonders, but some things are downright strange. Let's explore 5 mind-blowing facts you didn't know. Number 1. Saturn's rings aren't solid. They're made of billions of ice and rock particles, orbiting the planet like a cosmic carousel. Number 2. Venus spins backward. On this planet, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east, opposite to Earth. Number 3. Uranus is completely tilted on its side, rolling along its orbit like a barrel through space. Number 4. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm raging for over 300 years, and it's bigger than the entire Earth. And number 5. Comets have tails that can stretch millions of kilometers, always pointing away from the sun because of solar wind. Our solar system is strange, beautiful, and full of surprises. Which fact blew your mind the most? Comment below and don't forget to follow for more amazing space facts.